This is the Insta360 X3, and in this video I'm going to give you 5 ways that you can improve the quality of your 360 video footage and get the best possible results out of these fantastic cameras. Okay, so tip number 1 is all about light. 360 cameras capture video from the full 360-degree spectrum, and the way they do that is by having these 2 lenses. That means we've got 2 sensors, and a great way to get better quality video is to try and get the same amount of light into each sensor. A good way of doing that, if you've got a particularly strong light source, say if you're on vacation and the sunlight's really bright, is to turn the camera so that the edge is facing the bright light source. That way you can equal out the amount of light that's going to each sensor. Tip number 2 is about settings. One of the best things about Insta360 cameras is that you can leave everything on auto when you're shooting, and because of the great computational photography and the great AI that's going on inside these cameras, everything's going to come out looking great. But there are a few settings you'll want to dial in to get the best possible results. First of all, you want to make sure you're shooting at the highest possible resolution. Make sure the sharpness is set to medium or low. And also make sure you've set the anti-flicker correctly for your region. That way you can avoid that annoying light flicker in your video. Okay, tip number 3, it's boring, but it's super important. Make sure you keep those lenses clean. Use the microfiber cloth that came with your Insta360 camera, and each time you use it, before you hit record, just give those lenses a quick clean. A huge amount of the problem people have with the quality of 360 video is just because the lenses aren't clean. Because the way the lenses protrude like this, it's so easy to smudge them with your finger or to not realise you've got a bit of dust on the lens. So, take out the microfiber cloth, give them a quick clean. Tip number 4 is about your export settings. If you're exporting from the mobile app, always use the custom settings. Make sure you're exporting at the highest bit rate and at the highest resolution. The same applies in the Insta360 Studio desktop app, and also if you're on desktop, you should choose a file format like H.265 or H.264. This will give you much better quality video. And finally, tip number 5 is all about how you rotate the camera during shooting. When your 360 camera is attached to the Invisible Selfie Stick like this, or whatever selfie stick you're using, try to avoid rotating it like this. Because rotating your 360 camera in this way will make any light differences between those sensors much more noticeable, and it also risks making the stitch line more visible. So if you found this video useful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching, see you next time.